Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Here we have an interesting functional equation: f of x minus f of 3x equals 9x. Our aim is to find f of x. To solve this, you can just pause this video and give it a try, and I will be presenting two different ways of solving this problem. Let's see solution. Method 1. Let's try and look for a particular pattern. Suppose I try to replace every single x here with 3x. If I replace x with 3x, then we are going to have the first one as f of 3x minus f of 3 multiplied by 3x equals 9 multiplied by 3x. We only replace only x with 3x. So here gives us f of 3x minus f of 3 times 3x, that is 9x, equals 27x. We are going to start this. And we will not stop here. We're still going to test for another one. Suppose I replace x with 9x, for instance. So this gives us f of 9x minus f of 3 times 9, that is 27x. This equals, we have 27 here, and we replace this as 9 at first. So when we multiply 9 by 9, that gives us 81x. If I continue in this way, that is how it keeps going. But I want to make it general. Let's consider from the first equation. When we have f of x, this will be equals f of 3x plus 9x. And the same thing applies to the other one. F of 9x will be equals f of 27x plus 81x. Likewise, the first one, f of 3x, equals f of 9x plus 27x. Now, how can I derive the general format here? It's very simple. So if this continues like that, when we keep going like that, so we are going to have it in a general form as f of x equals, we have f of, this is a multiple of 3. We are going to have 3 raised to power nx, as n is a member of an integer, then plus, so I choose this as 9x, then summation of k equals to 0 to n minus 1, then we have 3 raised to power of k. So this will be the general term of this. And if we cannot consider it in this way, we can just leave it as simple as when we have f of x equals the f of 3 raised to power of nx, then plus 9x. So this 9x we multiply 3 raised to power of n minus 1 divided by 2. And how do we get it? It's very simple. So when we keep substituting the values of k here, if k equals to 0, we are going to have 1. If k equals to 1, we are going to have 2. We are going to have 3. Then the next one will be 9. The next one will be 27. So 1 plus 9, 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus 81. When it keeps going like that, it is a geometrical progression. When we try and sum it together, we are going to have this term, which is 3 power n minus 1 divided by 2. So just simple as that. So what I was saying is, suppose we have 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27. So when this keeps going, so we know that we have the common ratio here, which is equals 3. And when we apply the sum of arithmetic of geometric progression, so we have the common ratio as 3, as common ratio is greater than 1. So we are going to arrive at 3 power of n minus 1 divided by 2. So, but how can we get a convergence point. Suppose f here is a continuous function, and if you take n which tends to infinity, and f of 3 power n x, which is this, will also approach f of infinity unless it is bounded. So if it is bounded, it will not approach infinity. And let's now assume that if you have a case of when the f is linear, and the only way we can have the right hand side cancelled is when we have f of 3 raised to power n to be vanished, is when we have a particular point here that will negate this. And that particular point that can negate this is only when we have minus 9 divided by 2, then we have 3 power of nx. So this is only a point we can have in that series that will make this f of 3 power nx to be vanished. And since we have considered this one, then it shows that the f of x here is going to be minus 9 divided by 2x, then plus c. So this c is served as a constant, is a constant of this function. So this is the first way of solving this problem. And if you try and look for the other way, let's say method 2, since we have f of x minus f of 3x equals 9x. Looking at this, the power of this one is 1, which is a linear. So if I assume a linear function for this, let's say I have f of x here equals ax plus b, and we need f of 3x. For f of 3x here, we are going to have f of 3x equals a into bracket of 3x plus b. By subtracting this from each other, we are going to have ax plus b minus open bracket 3ax minus b, everything equals 9x. And then we are going to have to subtract this from each other. So we have this as plus. So subtracting this from each other, we are going to have ax plus b minus 3ax minus b equals 9x. Plus b cancelled b, then ax minus 3ax, that gives us minus 2ax equals 9x. Comparing the coefficients, we are going to have, so we try and cancel x, we have minus 2a equals 9, and a here equals minus 9 over 2. So therefore, for f of x equals ax plus b, and b has been vanished, so we have minus 9 over 2x. Then instead of b, we apply c. So it's a constant function. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.